Whoa! Hey! Hello everyone again. This is Mr. Chester. Another day from home. And today we're going to have social studies again. This time we're going to see how to use a calendar properly and also, why not, how to plan a trip. Let's start with a small video, but first, remember, I will be here as always. Let's start watching this video. Remember to pause this here, and once you're ready, you can play it again. Alright, that was a good video, wasn't it? Today, we will be remembering all the months and everything we've seen through this lesson. Okay, so let's start. Teacher's trip. Look at this picture here. It's a map with a place that you know. Can you guess? Yes, it's Tabankura School. It's your school. And this is one of my favorite places in the world. It's called Bali. Take a look at this. Can you see that? On this picture here, it's like a T-Rex, a dinosaur. So, what I'm going to do is to take a plane from Tabankura School to Bali. Sounds good, right? Yes, take a look at this. This is a whole map of the world with different animals from everywhere. So, to go to Bali, I need to cross all the world through the ocean. I can't show you this here, but it's something like this. Take a look. The plane goes all the way to Bali. And you know why it's good? Because when you get there, do you remember the T-Rex, the dinosaur? Take a look at this. This is me when I was there in 2019. So I'm going to plan my trip to go there again on 2020, this year. No, maybe next year, 2021. Yes, why not? So, I did this trip last year. Let's take a look. April 2019. This was my calendar, right? And these were some of the pictures I took when I was there. I went surfing, I went to see the monkeys, I've been everywhere in Bali. It's amazing. Well, now I want to invite you to check how I plan my trips. Let's go! Alright, okay, so let's plan our trip. But first, I can't plan my trip wearing this, so I'm going to get changed. Wow, that was faster than a minute. So good, now I'm ready to plan my trip. Alright, the first thing I need is my calendar. Whoa, good, I've got my calendar. Now, I will go to Bali the 19th of January. Yes, because I've got holidays there. Good. What else do I need? A backpack. Whoa, yes. This is not too big, but it's going to work. I'm going to keep all my things in here. Yes, backpack. What else? What else do I need? I need to book my tickets on the internet. I need my laptop for this. Wait, where's my laptop? I just remembered. Got it in here. Good. So with this, I'm going to check for the tickets. Perfect, the 19th. Good, so now I'm ready to go to Bali. And now, we need to check everything we've done here, and then we will go to the next activity. And that's how I prepare myself to go on a trip. So let's check the steps again. I'm going to be here for now, alright? Tiny one. So, what do we need is the days off in a calendar. Very important. I can't go now because I'm working. 2. A good place to visit. In my case, Bali, Indonesia. 3. Tickets on the internet so we can fly there. And number 4, pack your bags. Very important to carry all the things you need, including the toothbrush. Alright, so now let's continue. we're going to have our first activity. Okay, so this is activity number 1, worksheet number 4 from your booklet. It says, 1. Write the letters for the days of the week. 2. Color the numbers of today. And 3. Circle the Easter holiday. Ooh, this is going to be good. Alright, so pause the video here, and once you're ready, we will check together. Alright, did you do it? Let's check together. Alright, write the letters for the days of the week. First we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you got it like that, that's good. If you have just M, T, W, etc., it's good anyways. Alright, so then it says, color the numbers of today. What day is today? According to my watch, is the 15th. So, it should be good. And circle the Easter holiday. When was Easter? The 12th. Oh, you can't see it properly. So, check it, it's right there. Alright, so let's continue. Talking time. Now, it's time to talk. I'm going to move myself a little bit. I'm going to be smaller. Okay, let's see the questions. What is this? What is it? What year is this? How many months are in a year? We checked that. What month is this? Is it important to know how to read a calendar? Is it important? Why? Why are some days with red color? And there's one picture here. 1st of May. Alright, so pause the video here, and once you're ready, we can talk or discuss this later. Good. So, let's see if you get the ideas that I might have. Alright, so what is this? This, it's a calendar. It's very important. What year is this? It's the 2020 or the 2020. Same thing. How many months are in a year? We have 12 months, as we said last class. What month is this? I'm pretty sure this is April. Is it important to know how to read a calendar? Yes, it is very important. So we can check the days, the date, and we can take notes of what we need every day. That's why. And why are some days with red color? Very good question. Why? Because some of these days are holidays. Just like the 1st of May, that is Labor Day. Very important. So now that we checked those questions, it's time to watch another video, right? Video number 2, calendar and months. So pause the video here, look for the video, and once you're ready, you can play it again. Alright, good. Calendar, months, all good. So now, to continue, let's have another activity. What do you think about this? Let's see if you can do it. Worksheet number 5, activity 2. Check the box of the correct answer. I will let you do it by yourself. I'm not going to read this time, and then we will check together. So, pause the video here, and once you're ready, we will continue. Alright, so now, I'm pretty sure that you finished. So let's check. Check the box of the correct answer. Number 1, where do we see the date? In a calendar or in a backpack? This is pretty easy, right? In a calendar. What year is this? 2018 or 2019? I think there is a mistake here. Let me fix it. And then 2020. That's better. It's a 2020, right? What are the days with red color? The days off or holidays? Number 4. What do the capital letters represent? The days of the week or the months of the year? Days of the week. And what is the next holiday? It's Christmas because Easter was last week, right? So I hope you got them right. Okay, now that you checked, let's continue. May 2020. Let's check May. We have 31 days in May, and we have two pictures here. The 1st of May, and look at this. A lot of boats. What is it? Questions. How many days are in May? I just said it. Do you remember? Yes, 31 days. And what are the days off? What are the days off? Very easy. The days off are the days where important things happened. So we have Labor Day, the 1st of May, and also Navy Day. Día de las Glorias Navales. Very important. And check. The 1st and the 21st. Good, right? Very easy. Remember, these dates are very important. Now that you know about this, let's have another activity. Activity 3, worksheet number 6. It says, 1. Circle the Sundays with red. 2. Circle May 1st with red. That's Labor Day, very important. And 3. Circle the May 20th and the 21st with red. That is Naval Battle. I'm not sure if you have the same mistake as I have, but Naval Battle is just the 21st, so I'm going to fix this. Okay, there you go. If you have it, fix it, and just the 21st with red. So now, pause the video here, and once you're ready, we will check together. Alright, so all the Sundays with red. We have the 3rd, the 10th, the 17th, the 24th, and the 31st. Okay, good, all the Sundays. Now May 1st, Labor Day. Easy, right? And the 21st, Naval Battle. There you go. So, if you have the same as I have, that's perfect. If not, just fix it. And now, let's continue. Why is it so important to have a calendar? To check events, to plan a trip, and to organize a year, and more and more. We can always have some tips in our calendar or to write down the things that we need to do. Everything. A calendar tells us about the year, about our plans, about what we're doing or what happened. Alright? Very important. Now, let's relax a little bit and watch another video. Video number 3, month of the year. Let's check again. So remember to pause the video here, and once you're ready, we will continue. Alright, that was good. Months of the year. Now you should know all of them. Okay? They're very important. So, to finish, let's check the last activity. It's going to be very easy. Relax, I promise. It's very easy. You're going to find something like this. Or maybe something like this. And this will be the cutouts. Look at them. It says January, February, July, December, October. I think there is a mistake in here. Can you fix it? So cut these little months in the calendar and then paste them where they correspond. Here. So January, February. What's next? Cut them, paste them, and then we will check together. Pause the video here, and once you're ready, we will check together. Okay, I'm pretty sure you did it well. Let's check. Here I have January, February, then comes March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the last one, December. Alright, so that was very easy. Maybe you are going to have 2019. It doesn't matter, because all the months are the same in 1 year. So 2019 and 2020 are going to have the same months, from January to December. Alright? So I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, there's always one more activity that is going to be checked by me when we're back to school. Alright? So, see you next time. Study hard. It's very important. Bye!